नमस्कार दर्शकों, आप सभी का स्वागत है चाय पे चर्चा और पॉडकास्ट बाय खुशबू सेठ सीजन 3। हर शुक्रवार को 5 बजे आप हमें मिस कर रहे होंगे, लेकिन इंतजार की घड़ी खत्म हो चुकी है। हम आपको अभी हर शुक्रवार को मिलेंगे 5 बजे विद अवर सीजन 3 एंड टुडे स्पेशल गेस्ट इज डॉक्टर अंजलि। तो आइए हम उनको वेलकम करते हैं इस पॉडकास्ट के शो में, जहाँ पे हम बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे उनके साथ। सो आइए हम वेलकम करते हैं डॉक्टर अंजलि दलवाड़ी को इस पॉडकास्ट के शो में। वेलकम अंजलि जी।
Thank you, Khushbu, for having me on this stage where I'll be sharing you my experience regarding my whole life journey and what I'm doing right now. So I'm very much excited for this podcast, and here we start.
Okay, yeah. So our first question for you, Dr. Anjali, will be कि आपकी डॉक्टर की जर्नी कैसी रही। मतलब डॉक्टर की जर्नी, मेडिकल जर्नी बहुत ही टफ रहती है, सभी को पता है। सो हमारे व्यूअर्स इस जर्नी के बारे में सुनना चाहेंगे आपसे।
So basically, every doctor's journey is very much different from doctor to doctor, like how they have their own way of living their lives. So for my journey was just like an ECG. It was up, down, up, down, up, down, where I have gone through a many, that are destinations where through which I have been right now, which at the level where I don't call myself a doctor, but I am still a student where, I'm still learning in every research purpose and all that. So still I'm a doctor, still I'm a student, and more ways to go where
मतलब डॉक्टर की जर्नी में कॉमर्स रहते हैं, फुल स्टॉप नहीं
रहता है।
कोई भी प्रोफेशन
है। Yes.
Okay.
So I'm molding myself more and more better and better. So yeah.
Okay, wow, that's very nice. And we came to know, हमने सुना हुआ है बहुत कुछ आपके बारे में। और एक बात है कि you are the resident medical officer at India's largest, Asia's largest, I would say. तो आप उस जर्नी के बारे में, आपकी उसके बारे में कुछ शेयर करना चाहते हैं हमारे व्यूअर्स के, कि वो मेडिकल सेंटर है जो कि एशिया का लार्जेस्ट मेडिकल सेंटर है, तो उसमें आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा गया?
So experience is like just 5 months, old. But whatever experience I have done through my pain management clinic is, there is a modality-based clinic, but it is Asia's most largest clinic, where I am a resident medical officer there.
Yeah.
So I am doing an HBOT therapy, that is hyperbaric oxygen therapy, where a patient inhale 100% of pure oxygen at an atmospheric pressure. So atmospheric pressure is twice above. So for, many benefits are there, like post-cancer recovery and all that. Even autism has been my patients, and there are a number of patients, and even my research is going on that how, people can heal through that oxygen inhale, and it is a very, very safe and, very good therapy. Like people have benefits for a lot.
Oh, wow, that's very, very nice. And we have heard that you have many feathers in your hands, like you are a public motivational speaker, पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर के बारे में आप बहुत कुछ बताते हो, मेंटल हेल्थ केयर स्पीकर हो आप। सो ये सारी चीजें एक ही प्लेटर में आप कैसे सर्व करते, मतलब हाउ यू हैंडल ऑल दिस थिंग्स, कि ये मेडिकल के साथ साथ ये सारी मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर होना, इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल थिंग। मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में बताना, उसके रिगार्डिंग और ये सारी चीजें नॉट स्मॉल ऐसे कैसे कि हो गया एक कप चाय बनाने जैसा है, नहीं है ऐसा। So how you segregate all these things?
So my family has teach me a lot that you have to mold yourself in every container.
Okay.
So whatever is given to me, like I take it as a challenge and I do my best. Like even if I'm a motivational speaker, even I'm a public hygiene speaker, but I do my best thing, which whatever knowledge I have, I know how to imbibe in my students and whoever I'm, delivering my speech.
Okay.
So through each and every this thing, obviously I research many things, I read many things. So through that, I just imbibe knowledge like how to be hygienic, how to take care of your mental health and all.
Yeah, but that's the most important. Nowadays people would not segregate to handle their mental health, their mental situation, and they are fighting each and every day for this thing. So little bit of guidance you can give to our audience, हमारे दर्शकों को थोड़ा बहुत उसके बारे में आप बताएंगे कि मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए one or few tips you would like to give our viewers?
Yeah, so basically what, like post COVID, no, people have been, gone through so much in their lives. Even I was in a working hospital during COVID time only. So I have seen people, they are struggling for their own, like they have lost their family members and all.
Yeah.
So for them to, get through over all this is a very difficult task.
To come out of this
to come out
disaster.
But only one thing I want to share is, even if you feel lonely, just don't be alone. You share your thoughts with everyone. You tell whoever you are close to, because अंदर ही अंदर आपको खाया जाएगा. It's not a good thing, because that can lead to many diseases, many problems. Even mental health will affect. So whenever you feel that something is not going right, you just talk. There are many psychologists, there are many counselors out there, where you'll be feeling, if you don't want to share with your family members and if you want to go through, some therapy and all that, so even that will work. But
sometimes people don't like to talk to the family members. So going to a therapist or a doctor regarding this is utmost important. Because sometimes people talk in the front of the mirror about their problem. That also work, like talking to yourself.
Yes, talking to yourself works a lot, but at some point only.
Okay,
because other than that, even
it's just a healing, but curing ke liye you need to go to the doctor.
Yes, because even you are not getting some of the answers which are eating you inside.
Yeah, every day.
Sometimes you need help from others, but just see to it that you just, whatever it is in your heart, you just speak it out, even with a doctor or whichever you are comfortable with. So, it's
a vast, actually this is a vast topic about mental health. But whatever the few tips you gave, हमारे दर्शकों को आपने जो भी थोड़ी बहुत बातें बताई उन्हें बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा. बिकॉज ये कैसे चीजें हैं कि हम सभी इस स्ट्रगलिंग पीरियड से जाते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं इफेक्ट होती है. हम कुछ लोग उसको हैंडल कर सकते हैं, कुछ लोग उसको हैंडल नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो अवेयरनेस इज ऑफ मस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट अबाउट द मेंटल हेल्थ. इंडिया जैसे कंट्री में बहुत सारी जगह पे लोगों को पता नहीं होता कि हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज और कितनी अहमियत उनको देनी चाहिए ये चीज़ों को. तो ऐसी हो जाती है. सो आपने बहुत सारे सेमिनार्स, पॉडकास्ट में ये सारी टॉक्ड अबाउट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स रिगार्डिंग मेडिकल एंड उसके पैनल मेडिकल डिस्कशंस में भी आपने बहुत बातें की होगी. सो व्हाट आर द इंटीग्रल टॉपिक्स यू फील लाइक जो पीपल शुड नो अबाउट, ये पीपल को पता होना चाहिए? ऐसे कुछ स्पेसिफिक चीज आप हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताना चाहेंगे?
मेरे like for my, whenever I give podcast, it is just related to my health only health probably. Because even mental health is at most important, because in whichever state I am right now, like I live in Mumbai. So for there, living a stressful life, like everyone living is a stressful life. अगर कोई local भी छूट गया, so they get panic that I'll be late for work. So that thing is very much affecting for later life. Like there is no peace. Like, but I tell my all over, like whichever speech, that inner peace is very much important. Like if you are inner happy, so you will get through a lot. Like you will live your life longer, much longer, without getting comorbidities. Like comorbidities is obviously like hereditary. So, but you have to be inside happy. Like you can do meditation. You can, just go for a walk, garden walk. Whichever greenery side, you just at least 1 hour, if you can give of your life, 24 hours for that purpose, just for yourself. Even proper maintaining our own hygiene is very much important, because it brings a lot. You loving yourself mostly is at most important. So
this loving your life topic. Everybody should be aware of, right?
Yes. So loving yourself more, meditation. This will give you calm inside. So your mind will be getting ready to like living your life in any stressful condition. You can cope up with it.
Deal with it.
Yes. So
that's true. This helps to get out of it. कभी कैसे होता है दर्शकों कि हर चीज का सॉल्यूशन मिल जाता है. ये ऐसे नहीं होता कि प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो जाती है, बट आपको सॉल्यूशन, उसका रास्ता मिल जाता है, उससे बाहर निकलने का तरीका मिल जाता है. एंड दैट इज ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. हर चीज का ऐसा नहीं होता है कि हर चीज मिलती है, लेकिन ये सेटिस्फेक्शन हो जाता है मेंटली एंड सोलली कि हाँ ठीक है, नहीं मिली लेकिन आई गॉट, ये नहीं तो ये सही. you know, you get out of this
Even
things too.
every problem comes with a solution. So just, you know, just be calm. Just find that
Certainly.
what is the solution of your problem.
Yeah.
It's not that also hard. Like people get stressed so much even about easy things like which is easily cope up with the solution. But yeah, just don't stress yourself. Be calm. Be relaxing. Like it's very much important for your mind and body and soul.
Yeah, that's very nice, you know, talking these sessions regarding all this thing. लेकिन दर्शकों, आपको पता है जो एक मेडिकल है, एक मेडिकल ऑफिसर है, रेसिडेंशियल मेडिकल ऑफिसर है, स्पीकर है, गेस्ट मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर है, उसके साथ साथ शी इज कमिंग अप विद वन मोर थिंग. आप इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते. शी इज द जूरी ऑफ एशिया यूनिवर्स pageantry panel. I can imagine a doctor and you know how much she is having in her platter. You can see that. So yeah, मतलब pageantry and medical, like complete two side of the earth we can say. So how it came to you?
Starting में only I said that I mold myself with to each container. Like whatever is given to me, I give my best.
But ये आपने कंटेंट ने पूरी प्लेटर ही चेंज कर दी. क्या होता है, अभी पंजाबी डिश होती है तो पंजाबी फ्यूजन्स होते हैं सारे, यू नो. ये तो आपने अलग ही चाइनीज तड़का दे दिया और उसमें से ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. प्लीज वी वांटेड टू नो अबाउट.
So basically मेरा like it's a very simple thing for me that whatever uniqueness I want to do, just unique. I want anything, like everything. But what for me, this pageant is a very newly thing. I want to experience that how it will be, and you know, it's for me to be a jury is a very new thing, and I am super excited for it. Because for me it's a very first time, and also that as a jury. So for that I'm super excited, and always I want to try new things.
Yes.
For me,
So you know you will be asking questions also at that time.
Yeah.
So you want to like to share? No. It won't be correct.
Let it be surprise only.
Yes. So thing is, you know, even when I came to know about you, all these things, and that pageantry thing popped out, I said, wow, I mean, I need to meet you. मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें हैं आपके बारे में हमें, you know, जाननी चाहिए. तो that's why I scheduled this interview with you. And हमें तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आपके साथ इंटरव्यू करके. You know, it's podcast में चाय पे चर्चा पे, and चाय पे चर्चा पे आपने बहुत अच्छे से, you know, हमें बहुत सारी जानकारी दी, जो बहुत ही important जानकारी दी. It is needed for all the viewers to know about this. And thank you so much for coming to this show, and we had a lovely time. You know, फ्राइडे के 5 बजे का समय हमारे दर्शकों हमेशा वेट करते हैं कौन से गेस्ट आते हैं, क्या टॉपिक छेड़ेंगे, क्या होगा. लेकिन इस बार का टॉपिक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण था, उनके लिए बहुत भी यूजफुल आया होगा. सो थैंक यू सो मच. आपको डॉक्टर अंजलि के बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी चाहिए तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में हमने दिया गया है पूरी डिटेल्स उसके बारे में, उसकी ईमेल आईडीज के साथ. और अगर आपको हमारा शो अच्छा लगा तो आपको कमेंट और लाइक तो होता ही है, और उसके साथ साथ आप हमारे चैनल में पहली बार आए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करना बनता है. So thank you so much, Dr. Anjali, for coming to the show.
I just enjoyed it.
Even we too, right? चलो बाय दर्शकों, मिलते हैं हम अगले हफ्ते शुक्रवार को 5 बजे. बाय.